channel, Emily's Kitchen. Today, I will share with you how to cook my own version of short ribs stir fry using my non-toxic cookware. Every time, if you have this piece, it's very good because you can cook anything and you can bring this piece anywhere. So again, I'm using the non-toxic cookware. Every time you cook, there is no chemical that will mix into your food. So you can fry with no oil, and you can, even frozen meat, you can fry right away. So right now, I will put some garlic and the onion. So what we're gonna do, so you jump everything without oil. So all I need is to put the lid back on. So I already preheated 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So by the way guys, my cookware is lifetime warranty. Every time it's something wrong in the long run, I can just change into the brand new without, I'm just gonna pay my shipping. So if you want to have this in your kitchen, you can simply message me or call me, or you can follow me on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page. Okay, we'll check. So it's a little bit toasted right now, so it's time to put our beef short ribs. Okay, so we're just gonna dump everything over here. Okay. And we're gonna put some salt. Bell pepper? Black pepper. Sorry guys. And I'll put my oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. Wait for a bit, and we have to put our asparagus. Okay, so time's up. So we need to check our beef ribs here. So the good thing on my non-toxic cookware we have, it's called nutrition protector. So it will click if it's the right temperature is already inside. So let's go check. Wow, almost there. See, as you can see, we're not putting water. So just put the oyster sauce and then the seasoning, and you're good to go. Later on, a little bit of time, I guess, then we can add on our asparagus. Okay, asparagus on the side. Just dump there. And what I'm gonna do, if you have this non-toxic cooker in your kitchen, the heat still inside, I can turn off my electricity, so you save energy. That's it, my non-toxic cooker. If you want one, message me. Thank you guys for watching on my video today. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.